Hey everyone, I'm Chef Jen, and today we're going to talk about how to make strawberry agua fresca. You can use strawberries that are at peak ripeness or even that are a little bit bruised, and you can also use any other type of fruit. Think about using watermelon, peaches, or mangoes. I've had these strawberries in the refrigerator for almost a week. When I brought them home, I put this clean kitchen towel in this Tupperware, and then I just layered them. The kitchen towel helps keep any moisture and helps keep the strawberries fresh. As you can see, these strawberries are a little bit bruised, but that's totally fine. They still are tasty and they're going to be great in this agua fresca. For this recipe, we're going to use about 2 cups of fruit. I'm roughly chopping it so that we are doing kind of the pre-work for the blender. Then the blender doesn't have to work as hard once it goes in. And notice I'm saving the tops. I'm putting these tops into a glass of water, and I'm going to pour some water over here, and it's going to make a nice strawberry infused spa water. For this agua fresca recipe, this fruit is really the star, and the other ingredients are just the supporting actors. So for this recipe, we're going to use about 2 cups of chopped fruit and a cup of water. It's a good idea to taste your strawberries or whatever fruit you're trying to use before, so you know how much sweetness is in the strawberry. Also, that will help you know how much sugar you should add. We're gonna add some lemon to this also. You could also add lime or orange. And one trick is to make sure you get the maximum amount of juice. I'm gonna just roll this, putting a little bit of pressure on it. And then we're gonna slice it. I'm gonna just put a squeeze of lemon in here. That's gonna bring a little bit of brightness to the agua fresca. And then I'm gonna add about a teaspoon of sugar because these strawberries are a little more tart than sweet. So I'm going to add some mint to this agua fresca. It's totally optional, but herbs can add a little bit more excitement to your agua fresca. Something else that would go really well in here would be basil. And I'm just gonna tear a couple of little pieces up and throw it in, and then we're gonna blend this agua fresca up. Pour the agua fresca over some ice, and it's a perfect treat for a hot day. This recipe makes about 2 cups of liquid. You can enjoy it as soon as you make it, or it will store in the refrigerator for a couple of days. If you're not going to drink it right away, also another option is to put it into ice cube trays and then put it into water and create a spa water later. The other thing that you could do is make popsicles out of it. I don't have a popsicle mold, but one option would be to pour this in, pour the fresca into the ice cube trays. When they start to get hard a little bit in the freezer, stick popsicle sticks in, and then you have another delicious treat to enjoy later.